Hey there, shoppers! Ever heard of AliExpress? It's like a giant online flea market, but instead of haggling over prices, you get amazing deals right off the bat. Millions of people around the world use AliExpress to find cool stuff at crazy low prices. Think of it like this. You can find almost anything on AliExpress. Clothes, gadgets, home decor, you name it. And the best part? You don't have to empty your wallet to get what you want. It's all about finding those hidden gems and scoring big on savings. So, if you're ready to dive into the world of AliExpress and discover a treasure trove of affordable goodies, then buckle up. We're about to embark on a journey to uncover the secrets of finding similar items and snagging the best deals. Get ready to shop till you drop your jaw at these prices, that is. Alright, let's get down to business. How do you find similar items on AliExpress? Well, it's easier than you think. First things first, find a product you like. See something you like, but maybe not in the right color? No problem. Look below the product description. You'll often see a section called "You may also like" or "Similar products." This is where the magic happens. Click on those suggestions and bam! A whole bunch of similar items will pop up. Another cool trick is to use keywords. See a cool watch but want it in a different style? Type words like men's watch, leather strap, or chronograph into the search bar. AliExpress will show you a ton of watches that match what you're looking for. Now you might be thinking, is AliExpress really that popular? You bet it is. Get this. AliExpress has over 200 million active users worldwide. That's a whole lot of people shopping for bargains. And hold on tight, because it gets even more impressive. Did you know that AliExpress ships to over 200 countries and regions? That's right, no matter where you are in the world, you can get in on the AliExpress action. With millions of products available and new deals popping up every day, AliExpress is a shopper's paradise. It's no wonder that it's become one of the most popular e-commerce platforms on the planet. So, what are you waiting for? Join the millions of savvy shoppers who are already saving big on AliExpress. Section 4. Beyond similar, more AliExpress shopping secrets. Finding similar items is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to AliExpress. There are tons of other ways to save money and find exactly what you're looking for. For example, check out the flash deals section for limited time offers on hot products. Another pro tip, don't be afraid to use the filters. Want free shipping? Click the free shipping filter. Looking for a specific price range? Use the price slider to narrow down your options. These filters are your secret weapon for finding the best deals. And here's a bonus tip. Always read the product reviews. See what other customers have to say about the quality, sizing, and shipping time. It's like having a personal shopping assistant right at your fingertips. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to online shopping. Section 5. Conclusion, happy hunting on AliExpress. So there you have it. You're now armed with the knowledge and skills to conquer the world of AliExpress like a pro. Remember, finding similar items is all about using those handy-dandy tools and exploring the vast selection. Don't be afraid to try different keywords, browse through the recommendations, and check out those filters. With a little patience and a sense of adventure, you'll be amazed at what treasures you can unearth on AliExpress. Happy shopping, everyone, and may your carts be filled with amazing finds and incredible savings. Go forth and conquer the world of AliExpress.